Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be checking out the DIGIDAPTER from British Drone Industries. I'm really excited to try this product because if you couldn't tell by the name, it's made by a British company and yes, they do ship worldwide. The DIGIDAPTER is a solderless, non-destructive faceplate and analog module solution for the DJI Digital HD FPV goggles. And up until now I've been using the V1 UR-UAV analog module with my DJI goggles, along with a 3D printed case to keep everything in place. And the DIGIDAPTER is a similar solution, except that it comes with its own injection molded ABS front plate, so it looks like the original DJI material, and mine's gotten damaged anyways. There's no assembly involved other than removing the original front plate with an included Allen key and replace it with this one using the included screws. But there's an extra added bonus for you analog guys who like audio, because they have added an audio jack, whereas I think you have to use some solder pads on the UR-UAV module. But in all fairness, I'm not an audio person, I thought it was just worth mentioning. Something I do like about the design is that your analog module bay sits on the same side as they do on the Fat Shark HD02s, and if you look from the back you can see the daughter board on the other side for the connections. It comes with two wires, one is for the AV in and the other is for your DC power. However, there are solder pads on the back of the circuit board if you want to go for a more permanent solution. The only thing I wish it had was a pass-through button, which I don't currently have anyways because the V1 of the UR-UAV board doesn't have one, but the version 2 has a switch that allows you to bypass powering up the module, and the only reason I'd like that is because I use the rapid fire module, which draws a lot of current, so when it's not in use, having the ability to turn it off rather than having to switch the cables would be nice. Anyways, the DIGIDAPTER supports all single 9-pin modules. They say it takes around a minute to do the mod, so I'll see you on the other side. Well, they were not wrong, it really did just take a minute to swap everything over. My only complaint is that I think the cable management could be a little bit neater. The website shows a picture of some clips which I think could be useful, but they weren't included in my package. I'm definitely going to be keeping this setup over the UR-UAV module though, because when the module isn't in use, the balance of the goggle is so much better on your face, and they've managed to retain a low profile at the same time. The voltage input is 4S, the same as the DJI goggles. If you like spending a lot of money, then with the rapid fire module in place, the right hand side True RC XR antenna doesn't quite sit at the correct angle, but if you remove the rapid fire casing then it does. But my favourite Menace antennas fit fine in all situations due to their extensions. They say on some rapid fire modules the fitment is better if you remove the foam padding on the top of the module, but this one has clipped in fine here. I think if they could come up with a power pass-through switch, then there would be no other competition in my eyes. You can buy the kit direct from digidapter.co.uk, so I'll put a link in the video description as well as a pinned comment if you wish to buy one. Unfortunately, the weather forecast shows 2 weeks of rain here in the UK, so I can only demonstrate it working indoors. But as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.